Hello, everyone, and welcome to Stockology. I know it's been a while when I last posted a video, but I was kind of busy, so couldn't help. But today I'm back, and right now market is still going. It is 1:54 p.m. and right now Nifty is almost 100 point up. Bank almost 20. Sensex, so it is pretty good all in all. And as we are continuing our Nifty 50 share analysis, so today we are going to look at what here, HDFC Life Insurance. Okay, HDFC Life Insurance company, obviously. Right now the price of a share is 624 something, and it is almost 1% up, which is kind of good in my opinion. Not 5.80. Okay. And today's low is 612.6, and today's high is 625.2, and 52 weeks high is 761.2, which is not far from its today's high. Right now I think it is maybe almost 140 something up, 135 I guess. So it could be reachable. Quantities, it's a good amount. People are still buying according to the rating, at least 76%. And if you see it, revenue, profit, and net worth, same increase, but there is a little bit decrease in December 2024. But I don't think it is going to be much of a problem there. That's about the company. And foreign institutions interest as well as decrease a little bit, but mutual funds and retailers are still strong in it, so that's good. So now let's go to our interest thing, and that is chart analysis. Here it is in months. Obviously we always start from the month. We can see here right now it is going to be our biggest resistance up there, followed with our closest support. It is going to be a support. I think it is also going to work at quite a good support there. There are multiple possibilities. Around this. Now we go in weeks. If you might be asking why I always start looking share from months to the weeks and then days, the thing is, in a long term, the noise which you see, if you ever see a share in minutes, or maybe 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, you may see that all the candles, it may go up and down quite, and this is because of the volume coming in and volume going out. But when we see in days, we don't see a small candle, we see a big candle, or maybe a small, it depends, but on the day's trade and the movement of the market. So we see a single candle. Okay. And if we go in weeks, then one single candle is representing a week. Then in case of months, a single candle represents a month. So it just, if we see in months, it's just what we call summarize all the market of that month in a single candle, which is quite easy to see what are the overall movement of the share in that particular month. So if we look from the month point of view, we will neglect the days and weeks. You can say we combine all that into a single candle, which give us a comprehensive idea about that particular share in that particular month. So it just reduces the noise, and as we move from months to weeks and days and minutes, it just increase the noises in the movement. And it usually what we call uh, illusioned us from what we are focusing on, what we want to focus on. Okay, now in month's point of view, if we look here, it could be a really good resistance. Why? Because there are multiple point of connection there, some resistance, some support, and some even past that, but it has held itself multiple times. If you look here, and always remember, I always say this, whenever you see a high or low near your current price, it is going to work quite effectively because it is the recent one. It's going to be the recent support and the recent resistance. See, sometime you don't get that support and resistance months and in weeks quite close to your current price. So in that scenario, you have to wait a long time to get what we call uh, sign to take an entry or take an exit. But if we see these kind of like this one and this one, it will give a recent close support and resistance. It gives us entry to take an entry or exit. Okay, now we'll go in days. And if you look in days, there is no much of a difference here. What I told you, it is going to be a support. I can consider this also a support, a resistance, sorry, or this, but they are quite close to each other, 462 and 443, which I'm not going to do much of a change. Here I can take it as a support, but I already have this one, which is like 10 point below. From it I can make it as my support indicator. Like I can put an alert here, like if shares start falling and reaches here, it may give me a little bit of idea, okay, that share might be falling. So I can make it my support alert in a way. Other than that, if I have to choose, I'll go with this and this one here. So now we always look in candles as well, how it's acting up. Okay, as we can see, it was a gap opening today. No, not gap opening today. This, no, it is not a gap opening. This is a gap opening. Oh, that's a quite big gap opening. I haven't. Oh, God heavens, man, that's kind of really go up. Okay, so this was our last closing. From there it started, it went down, now it went up, now it is almost at the center of the previous day fall. So not bad. If I look around here on a chart basis, like if you look here like this, what you get out of it at this point, if you look at like this, I tell you this line at here where your price is in itself at a resistance or a support according to the movement, right? This line, as you can see, there are many previous line are hitting it, like here at, wait, like at multiple points. So it is a really crucial point at this point, I think, in itself. So if I have to take support or resistance here, I'll go with 644 as my resistance. Along with that, 617.9, which is 618 as my support. So that's all for today in SDFC Life Insurance Company. I gave you the support and resistance, and in next video we will look into the next year. And thanks for watching, and I'll try my best to put videos here as frequently as possible. We have to cover Nifty 50. After that, we have to look some of the recent share which are in news, and I also have to share what I done with my progress in shares. I have pretty much ups and downs in this is previous year of share market, and I'm also looking forward to do intraday as soon as I'll be able to do live trading in YouTube. Basically, do live trading on YouTube to show people what is my strategy regarding that. And so hope for the best, and I'll try my best to keep posting. And thanks for watching Astrology, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and support.